Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes on today's tutorial. I will guide you how to see all comments you have ever made on YouTube. For that, you need to open YouTube, and on the bottom right corner you will see the profile of the YouTube. So tap on it. You will be access to this profile of the YouTube, and on the top right corner you will see the setting like icon or gear like icon. So tap on it, and you need to scroll down and find out manage all history options. So tap on it. You need to select the Google account here. After waiting for a few seconds, you will be access to this YouTube history page where YouTube has collected all the history here, and you need to tap on the interaction on the top right next to the controls, and after that you need to select the comments, like and dislike beneath the video interaction, and here you can see the all the comment you have ever made on the YouTube. When you scroll down you can see all the comment you have ever made on the YouTube. If you want to delete that, you can see the cross like icon, so you can just tap on it and you can delete your comment also on the YouTube. So in this way you can easily and quickly get access to all the comment you have ever made on the YouTube. So this is it guys, thank you.